Yes, Chair.
Including the file with the acts. Which files must I put away? I have
Put
too
away.
many now in front of me.
Put everything
Six,
away.
A total of 6.
Out of 9. It's 9 files by now. Please put everything away except file 3, Chair.
Thank you.
Except file 3.
3.
We won't need file 2.
No. I'm scared to commit. No, chances are we won't. If anything, but we don't have to go to it, I'll flight it. It is that supplementary affidavit regarding PKTT. Remember, commissioners, we are having this engagement about where the 3 investigators would have gotten any idea about PKTT enough to justify them obtaining a supplementary affidavit. So now we are at file 3. That's a transcript before the ad hoc. It's for the record CJC 375. And in particular, I would like us to go to page 555. And what appears at the top of 555, perhaps 554 is the right place to start, midway, where it says Advocate Johnson. You suggest there that you will deal with the arrest of General Kumalo. And then you indicate from line 2, and I would just for purposes of completeness indicate that IDEC is not aware of these cases that were made, be they by Mr. Matala about theft, by Gatiso Mulefe, the ballistic case, or any other case that has been made against any of the PKTT members. They are not allegations that IDEC is looking at. That was your testimony. But from the supplementary statement by the 3, that can be entirely correct, because that statement we just looked at page 3493, file 9, is specific about PKTT. So,
I see that, yes.
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 So
I wouldn't have seen the wouldn't have seen the supplementary.
I can accept that, but then it suggests that your investigators withheld from you some detail on some of these investigations. From the reading of your transcript at ad hoc, it would appear that you were not even aware that PKTT was being investigated or considered for investigations. I put it no higher than that.
Correct, and that is why when there were the utterances that IDEC was involved in PKTT's business, I was taken aback because, according to me, there's nothing for us to look at in PKTT, regardless of what allegations may have come to the fore.
And if those were the allegations that you are hearing of, now that we have seen the supplementary affidavit at 3493, those claims were not entirely baseless now, were they? That IDEC is, what did you say you had understood, is interfering in PKTT? They don't appear to have been entirely baseless.
Yes, when you look at 3493.
Yes.
Correct.
Okay. Then if we go forward, still staying with file 9 to 656. Page 656, same file, file 3.
Council, make sure you get us to read the documents that are full
22nd November 2024. Then you are asked, do you have it in your possession? You say, no, I don't. Do you not think it was going to be important for you? Then then he states, another problem which I have with your statement is that documents which are relevant have not been attached. He expresses his concern. Your response is no. Mr. Nomvalo asks, would you agree with me if I say to you the affidavit of Honorable Adams is dated the 6th of January 2025? You point out that that would be a supplementary affidavit because follow-up engagements were had by the investigating team with Mr. Adams. And we know that 6th of January correlates with the date on which the investigating team obtained supplementary statements from Mr. Adams. Then Mr. Nomvalo requests at 656, can you be able to furnish us with the original affidavit to which you state? Unfortunately, that is not a document that I can disclose. This document has not even been disclosed to the defense, and it is one of those documents where even the defense would have to apply for the document to be made available to them. The Section 27 referral cannot be made available, but other documents that Honorable Nomvalo or any other member should have been here. What I would ask is to kindly provide the chair with a list, and those documents that can be made available should be made available to this House in the course of next week as part of a bundle, which would then be referenced according to the affidavit and then be sent to the evidence leader for distribution. Mr. Nomvalo inquires, so is it a classified document? You say it's not a classified document, it's a document that seeks to initiate the intake of a matter. It is a document that, should it be disclosed, will first have to be disclosed to an accused. That document has not been made available to any of the accused. Mr. Nomvalo asks, which law are you relying on to make that proposition? You respond, I'm saying that in terms of process, we have not disclosed the Section 27 referral. It is a confidential document similar to how we have memos in the NPA and not just IDEC. There are certain documents that are not made available for public consideration. You have further engagement midway that page of 657. Mr.